Today I want to show you a real quick and easy video here, how to rename columns in Pandas here whenever you've got some data coming in, you need to change some column names, show a real easy way to do that. We're in Python here coding using Google Colab, and this should be real easy. It's a real fundamental thing in data science. Sometimes you get data that comes in, the columns don't look quite right, or they're not to your standard or what you want to work with. This is an easy way to just pick some columns and just sort of rename them. So renaming columns here, it's a really important first step when you're making sense of data. Again, sometimes these data frames that you pull in, these data sets, are from Excel or other programs, SQL, things like that. And along the lines there, you've got a lot of different people that sometimes come in contact with this data. Whoever originated it might not be looking at it the same way you are. You often have a lot of times where these column names need fixed. And it's a really good first thing to start off with because, again, once you get your column names all looking good, it's much easier to work with the data. It's also a good thing to do when you got to fix typos. Sometimes you can make columns easier to work with if they have all kinds of weird capital letters, symbols, extra numbers, spaces, weird things like that. You can make them all very neat and easy to work with. And we're going to use .rename to make this super easy. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have Pandas imported here to do our data science work, Seaborn just for a quick data set, and then I have the Penguins built-in data set from Seaborn getting pulled in here, saving it as Penguins, and that's what we're going to work with today. So you've got species, island, bill length, bill depth, flipper length, body mass, and sex of the penguin, and then there's just several hundred penguin rows here that just show you the data here that I just have the first 5 shown, but it just shows you a lot more. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at these columns and we're going to rename some of them, okay? So first of all, rename specific columns. Let's say you get a data set in here and you just need to rename a certain column or 2 or 3 or something like that, okay? If you want to do that, you just simply make a quick little dictionary, okay? The Python data structure known as a dictionary. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a new data set here. We're going to call it Penguins Renamed because we're renaming some of our columns. We're going to go ahead and set it equal to our original Penguins data set. And then here's where you type .rename. Okay, that's all you want to do there. I just manipulated that a little bit. There we go. You just do penguins.rename. Okay, and then in parentheses, okay, you can open up your parentheses, and I have it formatted on multiple lines here to make it a little easier to see. Just type in columns equal, and then you open up a curly brace here to start your dictionary. Okay, and then what you do is you can just type in quotes the name of the column that you want to change. Like I want to change this species column here, and I want to change it to something else. Type in a colon, and then in parentheses, sorry, in quotation marks, not parentheses, I'm sorry. In quotation marks, you just type in the new name that you want it to be. Like I want to change it from species to penguin species. Okay, if you want to do this with 1, you'd be done right there. Okay, like this is all you'd have to write if you just want to change 1. Boom, it would just change that. Okay, but you can make this dictionary longer with commas. Just put a comma and then put your next column that you want to. And let's say this island column here doesn't really tell me that much. Is it where they were found? Is it where they're from? Is it like where they're most likely? Like what goes on there? Like what does this mean? Let's say I want to change that to origin island. Okay, so I would just type in the original in quotes island, put a colon, and then afterwards type in the new one that I want to name it to. And at the end, just don't forget to close your curly brace, close your parentheses, and that's all you have to do. Okay, so if we go ahead and show that Penguins Renamed data frame, just show the first 5 rows, you can see that now penguins species is there instead of species, and origin island has taken the place of island. Everything else is the same, all the data is the same, it just changes those column names. Super easy. Okay, sometimes you get a data frame in and it needs completely, like everything needs renamed. Okay, what do you do there? Okay, what you can do is you can create a list of new column names. Okay, so all I did here is I created a list called new columns. Okay, and in square brackets, I just listed out all of the new columns that I wanted here. Okay, so if you notice, the original columns were all lowercase. It's got these measurements in here showing you millimeters and grams, which is great. But let's say for some reason I don't want that. Let's say I want it to look a little bit cleaner with some capital letters. I got somebody that is getting this data frame that's real particular about that, so I want to give it to them like that. And let's say they are penguin experts and they know it's millimeters. You don't need to have that on there. Okay, so I want to rename everything. Okay, so what I would do is just go through, and in order that they show up, I would just type out the new names. So instead of lowercase species, I typed capital S species, I capitalized island, I capitalized bill length, and I got rid of the units afterwards. I did the same thing for bill depth, same thing for flipper length, same thing with body mass, and then I capitalized the S and sex. Then all you have to do is just go ahead and assign those new names. So we're going to do penguins renamed again. Okay, we're going to reuse this and kind of overwrite that penguins renamed data set. You type in dot columns to say, hey, we want these columns to now be assigned to the new column names. Okay, so you just type in equals and then the name of your new list here. Okay, so again, it's just the new data set, whatever the data set is you're working with here, dot columns equals new columns. Okay, and that's going to then rewrite all of those column names to the ones that came from this list up here. Okay, so again, really quick and easy way to do this. Renaming is a very fundamental thing in data science to be able to just, make your columns look better, fix typos, things like that. Again, you can just do 1 or 2 or 3 at a time using a dictionary to just target specific columns here, or you can rename every column using a list where you just go ahead and make a list of all the new column names and just assign them. Okay, so a couple different ways to do that using your rename up here, dot rename, and then down here you can do dot columns and just reassign those. Okay, so I hope that helped, gives you an idea of a really fundamental thing in data science, get you started fixing up those column names so they look better for your boss or for whoever's going to see them. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day, and please like and subscribe for more videos on data science concepts.